Hello, my name is George Moore, owner of Moore's Sewing Center in Southern California. I want to invite you to a special hands-on event called Stitching in the Kitchen by OESD. This two-day hands-on event, we actually are repeating it twice, is October 26th and 27th and 28th and 29th. This is a team sewing environment where you will learn hands-on how to do the latest embroidery projects and techniques by OESD. And we actually are bringing back Kimberly Dawson. She's been a favorite of ours, and actually she has a message for you. So take it, Kimberly.
Hi, it's Kimberly from OESD, and I am so excited that I get to come out and see all of you here at Moore's Sewing in Brea, California. And I just want to talk about some of the fun things we're going to do at the Stitching in the Kitchen event. So some of the things you'll notice are definitely great gift ideas. So the timing couldn't be more perfect. And I want to show you some of the things. So one of the first things that we will make is this little gift tag. It says made with love on it. And there's so many different things that you could do with it when you're getting ready for the holidays. I'll kind of move in a little bit closer so you can see it uses our Luxe Sparkle vinyl, which if you've never used before, you are going to love it. But you can put this on a gift, or maybe, a batch of cookies that you make, or just anything that you can think of, so that, and of course, as embroiderers, we make everything for our friends, and we do it out of love. So some other things that we're going to do, we're going to make a trivet. So once again, a great gift idea. This involves quilting with your embroidery machine. As you can see, this is quilted, but it's all done completely in the hoop with our stitch and turn method. So really easy, one hooping, and it's done. But I want to talk about some of the exciting things here. You're going to get to learn to do raw edge applique. And one of the things that I love to do when I come to these events is show you how to do things like this, but not just using our techniques, which are really simple to do, but showing you how to make it easy using your machines. So I'll definitely give you some little hints on how to hoop things and do things like that on the machines. And of course, we're going to do some quilting in the hoop. This is actually piecing. This is a really cool item that I use mine all the time now. It's a skillet wrap, and I use a lot of cast iron, so the handles get really hot, but even on other pans, your handles might get really hot. And so this, you completely do the piecing in the hoop, and then when you're done, this will go around that handle of your pan so that you don't burn yourself while you're using it. But if you don't have a pan that you're worried about, you could use it as other things. You could store your glasses in there, or a lot of different ideas that you could do. Once again, a really fun gift. And then we're going to do some, this is an applique method that where you actually are doing applique where it's going off the edge of the towel. And a lot of these items that we're doing use our OESD Start Here blanks, which are great. And they'll all, of course, be at the event, but this is one of our towels. But once you learn this technique and make this project, you'll be able to envision how you could take other applique designs and do them over the edge versus directly onto the garment or the towel or whatever you want to put it on. So a really fun technique. And then, of course, we are going to use another one of our Start Here blanks. We're going to make this fun apron. What I love about our events is that we provide everything for you. You don't have to bring anything. We're going to provide all the fabrics, all the blanks. So you're going to get an apron. You're going to get the table runner. You're going to leave with all of these things, and all you have to do is bring yourself. Moore's is providing the machines, they're providing your lunch, and we're going to have a great time. There's going to be exclusive event specials and probably lots of candy and treats and yummy things, and it's always going to be a fun time at Moore's. So if you haven't signed up yet, come on, call them up, make sure you get on that list because I'm sure seating is limited, and we'll see you there.
So again, you don't want to miss this, October 26th, 27th, are 28th and 29th. The price is $129, and that includes lunch both days. We've got lots of prizes, use of top model machines, and just for signing up, you get a goodie bag that's valued over $200. But don't wait, we are limiting the space so that we have a nice environment for everybody. This will be the best event you've ever attended. Click on the link to sign up or call us at 1-800-865-9664. Bye for now.